Welcome back to the Military Defense YouTube channel.
Revel in the skies. Join Rebel for an F-16 ride-along in the Viper demo flight routine Capt. Amy Rebel Fiedler takes us through the various maneuvers of the F-16 display during the Wings over Houston airshow. As the 2022 airshow season draws to a close, our friend Eric Johnston strikes again with an impressive video recorded in collaboration with the U.S. Air Force Viper demo team during the latest edition of the Wings over Houston airshow, Capt. Amy, Rebel, Fiedler, Viper demo team commander and pilot, takes us through each phase of her display, from the pre-flight checks to the shutdown after landing, giving us insights and comments throughout the video.
Stand up, make some noise for Major Schmitz and the F-16 Fighting Falcon.
As usual, Rebel flew her demo with Venom, the special color F-16, assigned to the team and unveiled shortly before the beginning of the 2020 airshow season. Inspired by the F-16's nickname, snake scales are painted across the airframe, painted in the team's signature black and yellow colors. The livery has been designed as if the aircraft was an extension of the snake in the logo painted on the tail, going all the way to the front of the F-16, which represents the head of the snake, as it can be seen from the eyes painted below the cockpit. The video begins with Capt Fiedler going through the pre-flight checks with the help of the two crew chiefs, before strapping in the jet. As she moves through the checklist items, Rebel describes some of the various checks she performs before departing, like the SEC check, secondary engine mode, EPU, emergency power unit, check, and the flight controls, both primary and backup channels, checks. At the same time, we can also hear the various radio communications with the air traffic control, the show's air boss, and the team's safety officer. After all the checks and a quick taxi, the F-16 is ready to perform a high-performance takeoff and begin the Viper demo performance.
Major Schmitz will now demonstrate the F-16's crisp handling characteristics as he performs a 4-point roll at show center, pausing briefly at each 90-degree increment. Notice the precision at which these individual movements are executed. In from the left, the F-16 and the 4-point roll.
The clean F-16 can showcase its power and maneuverability in a unique way, compared to an aircraft with its usual loadout of fuel tanks, pods, and weapons. For example, as explained by Major Garrett Toro Schmitz, the former Viper demo pilot, a normal rotation speed of a Viper at mil power, max power without afterburner, would be 146 kHz with a takeoff speed of 156 kHz. The F-16 in a clean configuration for the demo executes a high-performance takeoff, rotating at just about 100 kHz and lifting off at about 120, 130 kHz in 900 feet of runway.